Hello friends, we will see how to crochet the triangular rose sepals. Sepals are nothing but the green leaf-like structures which you see below the rose. So first you have to crochet the base and then you have to chain 10. Now I have chained 10. Now we have to make a slip stitch in the first chain from the hook. So the first chain from the hook we will do a slip stitch. Once it is done, in the second chain we will make a single crochet. In the next chain also we will make one more single crochet. After this, in the next chain we will make one half double crochet. In the next stitch also we are going to make one half double crochet. Now in this stitch we are going to in the next stitch we will be making double crochets. In the remaining of all the stitches we will be making double crochet stitches. And here comes the last double crochet. Now you leave the stitch where the chain was started and skip two stitches, and after skipping the two stitches you will slip stitch in the third stitch. Now you see a beautiful sepal, a triangular sepal has been formed, and you will have to repeat this process throughout the base. Now once you have completed the process, it will look like this. You can place the rows which you have done, which you have crocheted, on this in this manner or in the reverse manner. It is your wish. In whichever way you want, you can place it. So I hope you enjoyed watching.